Hi Andre, I'm just going to give you a quick video. As you see here on this directory, if I put my mouse over it, you see it's not a link because this is the archive page. And then on a regular page of the custom post type business listings or business listing, you could see there's a link which leads back to the archive page. And now that we're on the archive page, you see there's no more link. Well, I did it this way. I use the raw HTML code you see, the code block, which is fine. And I just created a if-else statement. If is post type archive business listings, just show the image. Else, if it's a singular page on a business listings, then you show this image with a link. So that way, it'll link back to the home page. Of course, like a moron, I just doubled it up. But, I mean, I can get rid of that and just make it an else, an if-else. I don't know why I did that, but you see these are redundant. But let's just say this one was gone, and it was just an if and else. That way, it is a link on the regular page, but it's just not a link, just an image on the main page. So what I want you to do, if you can, is up here where it says the condition settings. I'm just going to add an image for whatever reason, just to show you. I'm going to add an image. Well, let me put it up here so it's on the bottom. Okay, now instead of having to go into the code block and creating all this, I can just go ahead and on the image click on the conditions here, and then I'll use and that way it only or an and or this one doesn't matter, but like on an and page you're going to set the conditions, a default stand anyway, add your first condition. Now here it says archive post type is equal to, and then I go down to business listings, and then I say that's the condition, so I'm going to go out of it. What I'm saying now is it's only going to show on the business archive pages if the custom post type is business listings. But the thing that's wrong with that is this image will show here and here. I'll show you in a minute. So I'll hit save. And now I'm going to refresh this. Oh, I didn't make an image. Let me put an image in there. Well, that's a default. Okay, see how it's showing? See how the business is not showing yet, but when I refresh the page, well, actually it's a different template. But on the business archive, see how it's showing? If it was a regular page with the same template, it won't. So I guess I'll have to go in there and show you how to do that. So I'm going to do the same thing, because I have different templates. I wish I didn't do it this way. Okay, let me go to business child. I know I can just do it with the template and make different templates, but it would be a lot easier to just make one template and put these statements in there so I wouldn't have to do all this. Because then I can do it for archive pages differently than I can have certain things show on archive pages, and I'm hoping to have certain things show on pages that have children, and then different things show on pages that have no children. That way I get the full spectrum, because I do different things on different pages. Okay, now this is just the default page. I'm going to do the same thing. I want to add an image. And then I want to set the condition to be the same thing. But custom post type, archive post type is equal to business listings. Hit save. Now on the business archive, you know it's already working there. I'm going to go to the regular page. See how it's also showing? I don't want it to show here. I either want to make it show here and not on the archive, or show on the archive and not here. And if it is possible to have it show on a page that has a parent page and a child page. So this is the three things I want: an archive page, basically, and okay, let's make it four things. I want to have it show on an archive page, or a page like a regular page that has no parent, have it show only on a page that has a parent and a child page, so it's one of those tweener pages, and have a setup where it can only show on a child page that has no parent, that has no children. Okay, yeah, let me rephrase that. Have it show up on an archive page only. Have another condition set up where it'll only show on a page that has no parent. It's not an archive page, but on a page that has no parent, it could have children. And another one only show up only on pages that have a parent and a child page. And a fourth condition where it only shows up on a page that has parent page but no children pages. So I guess I need four different things. And then that way I can add it to any custom post type, whether it's a post, a page, and a custom post type. That way it works on everything. All right, thank you.